Okay, for step 7, you're going to be developing your introductory paragraph. This will be the first paragraph of your essay. This is where you're going to build background knowledge for your audience on your topic. You're going to imagine that that audience is not familiar with your topic at all, so you need to make sure you introduce the topic, also that you hook their attention. So down here it says, to argue effectively, it's important to make sure your audience understands the situation or problem you're talking about. To do that, you need to build your audience's background knowledge by describing the situation or the problem. In the 2 sample essays, the background knowledge is provided right before the thesis statement. Unless your problem or situation is really complicated, you can usually provide enough background knowledge in just a few sentences. So here's the first paragraph from a student essay. The part in bold is where the background knowledge is set up. So college costs are rising every year, and because new technologies make it possible to earn a good living without ever setting foot in a college, some people are suggesting that college is no longer needed for a successful career. Same format to use for another student essay. They say the path to a successful career isn't as clear as it used to be. Years ago, to get a good job, you went to a 4-year college and that was that. Now more people seem to be advising against college. They say it's gotten way too expensive, and if you have a good business sense or tech skills, you can make a ton of money without ever attending a single college class. So those are both ways that they introduce some background knowledge there. So what you need to do for this step is you need to start thinking about what background information needs to be added to help your audience fully understand your problem or topic that you're writing about. You're going to read it as if you know nothing about the situation. What do you need to summarize about who, what, when, why, and how a problem has gotten to this point? The first paragraph of your essay should build background knowledge for your reader. You're going to write a first draft of your paragraph. So the beginning of your first paragraph, you need to include a hook. You need to include background information. And then the very last sentence of your first paragraph should be your thesis statement, which you've already developed up in step number 3.